All right, hello everyone. So today's the 5th of July. Let's take a look at what we have here. Okay, so this is gold. Let's take a look. On the weekly, we're here. Now on gold, we've got two levels. One is that 52 level there. That's still there, 1942. And also, we're on the daily at the top level here, and that target is already done. Okay, so we've got two options. We're either going to turn around from here, or we're going to go up into 36 or 42. Okay, so what I've done, the market already did these highs. Yesterday, if you sold gold at the tops at Astro hours, you would have been okay. And now I'm just following that through. Okay, this is an Astro hour. Currently, it's 6 minutes past 9, and I had the Astro hour at 9 a.m. All right, so this bar is like pretty much on there. Actually, I just opened it up and put the Astro hours in place. This should cover the trade. As you can see, I've got two positions, one to cover the trade, one to go down to the weekly period. Now, this is going to be, as you know, the weekly period for us is important because it sometimes come here, bounces off. Also, if you look at Monday, I put the gold swing day for Monday and Tuesday. All right. So that was Monday. You can see a big swing. Tuesday, retesting it and selling off. So if Monday and Tuesday were the right swings for gold, we should follow down, at least down to the weekly, where we should get some bread and butter. Okay. So this is why I entered the trade. And with respect to where the stop loss is, I've got the cover and plus 1 to 3 there. Okay, so that should like pan out in our direction. So that's gold. Now, if gold starts to push down, okay, we should get a retracement. You need to be careful here. Why? Because this was a buy zone. Remember last week I said this is a buy zone, no selling here. And I said wait for a swing day. And remember Wednesday was a swing day for this, okay, for gold. So market did the Wednesday, slight dip into still in our purple zone, as you can see here. And then market went up, okay, into that zone on Friday. Now we're on Wednesday here, and if the market starts to retrace, we should pull back down a little bit. The market is still going down, so selling is not a bad idea, and selling on a PST definitely is not a bad idea. That's 1927, and that's pretty much what the market did. Look at that, 1927. This is why the stop loss is just above, because if it breaks above that 1927, I don't want to be in that trade. All right. That's that. So let's take a look at euro dollar. Now, euro dollar, same kind of thing here. With the euro dollar, I said Monday was a swing day for this one. Okay. And that's your Monday. All right. So Monday market did the high. Today's a Wednesday. That's your Tuesday retesting the high and selling off. Okay. So now what? Now there's a bit of a trend line liquidity here. Okay. And the next swing day for the euro dollar is Wednesday. All right. So if the market comes down, it should go up. Okay. And it should like kind of break above this, going back into the weekly. And then this will be a sell off, or the next sell-off will be slightly higher, but it needs to break this 53 zone, and that's 1.0906, which is right your weekly pivot there. Okay, if it goes above that, we're going up into 0945 or 67. We could just be doing that, and that could be pretty logical to do as well. Okay, so looking for a decent place to buy today, Wednesday, might be this 1.0860, because that's your daily PST there. And on the weekly, this is too far down. Okay, so that's basically it. So if you're looking at buying, that 1.0860 is the first logical spot. If it breaks down, it'll go lower into 0792. Maybe I'll put that in there as well, 0792, which is pretty much there. Okay, 0792. All right. Let's take a look at US 30. Same kind of thing here. This could be a nice sell-off to cover this zone here. On the weekly, remember, this is all resistance level there. Market taking out the stops, taking out the trend line liquidity here. Okay. We do have a slightly higher position there. I already marked that in as well, so you can mark these in. See, this is how astrology works. It's a beautiful work of art, really, literally selling off right on the line here. Okay. Remember for Dow Jones, I said Tuesday was a swing day. Well, that's your Tuesday pretty much. Okay. That's your Monday, Tuesday. Okay. As you can see, just before Tuesday opening, they did the high and sold it off. If you took the Astro hours as well, you should have been okay with this trade. Okay, but if you didn't trade and the markets were closed, no big deal. We should be sizzling down here. If we come down here in New York, we should head up for a retest. Okay, and then things might change again. All right, so be mindful. Today we've got some disruption as well in the market, so the market will have a pushy move. Yeah, and it might just continue actually. It might have a breakout move, okay? Which then the move will pick up tomorrow morning, all right, or tomorrow in the Asia session. So be mindful on that one. And that's how it is, okay? So if it comes down, it might be going up. And if it comes down all the way into the weekly at an Astro hour, be mindful, like I said, there could be a breakout as well, okay? Which I will mention in the members area. This is SP 500, same kind of thing here. I said swing day was Monday, okay? And that is your Monday there. All right, making the high, Tuesday retest, Astro hour selling off, okay? So that should kind of go down into the 12:30 or going down into the weekly, whatever. But be mindful about the 12:30, like the 12 o'clock, sorry, not the 12:30, the 12 o'clock. You'll check it out in the members area anyway. All right. So that because the 12 o'clock should give us a place where the market should stall. And then we should have 240, a place where the market may change for the day. All right. So be careful there as well. All right. Let's take a look at before we go, let's take a look at the daily targets on that one. So if the market sells here, you see we should be coming back down to that 37.5 to 50 zone on the Gann, if that's the case. If it holds, this is 69, 4,446, 4,446, which is there. Okay, if it breaks below that, we should be going down. Okay, but this is the first support. Why? Because that's the breakout support. On the weekly though, we could come down back in there or go up there. If it goes up to the 72.4526, that's going to be a sell zone. Okay, it is quite out there, way way above. Okay, so hopefully this swing day Monday will hold and we should push down. Let's take a look at NASDAQ and Bitcoin. Okay, so on the NASDAQ, let's see. All right, NASDAQ, this is NASDAQ. Now, the swing day for NASDAQ is Wednesday. Okay, so the market can be coming down. If it's a swing day for NASDAQ Wednesday, okay, it's either going to be that or we're going to find a low spot. Let's check out the daily. See, this is the sell zone here I talked about. And if I make this a little bigger, okay, we are here. Let's get rid of this because this is pretty much done. Support is going to be 63, 15,169. If it breaks below 15,169, 15,169, which is pretty much broken. Let's do this. Which is pretty much there. Okay, so this is the first support. and that's where the market is stalling, as you can see. So that's interesting to see as well. As a PST level, nice move down. Okay, 15,169. If it goes below that, we should go further down. And the 12 o'clock is going to be your next target downwards. Okay, then you got 61 here, 15,127. So you want to mark that in as well. 15,127. So maybe by lunchtime we'll end down here, 15,127. Okay, right there. So be mindful, if we still keep going down until 12 o'clock, we might find ourselves in a position where we might want to buy at the 12 o'clock level. So it's either going to be there or you're going to want to do it at the weekly pivot, which is going to be there. Okay. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Right here. So we've got the flag formation here, as you can see, and the market is pushing down a little bit. So look, this has got room to come down into this zone. If you want to sell it off day trading, 69.72 is the spot, which is going to be, let's get rid of this. Let's just do this. 31,138, 31,641. 31,138 is going to be there. Okay. And this one is 641. 31,641. Which is there. Okay, so this target's already done. Get rid of this. And on the daily, push it down to 30,000, which is your 55 and 58. Yeah, 30,200, 30,350. 30,350, which should bring you to the weekly pivot zone there. All right, so that'd be a target. So selling, you need to cover yourself obviously on the daily. And if you're going to sell, if you're going to keep selling at Astro hours from these levels, you might push it all the way down into the weekly there.